our passion goes to the community. And by this we mean, when you talk about water, we don't stop at availing, we go to accessing the water.
We have been consulting all through, and I have also been made by Mheshimiwa to participate in some other arrangements. Only for the athletes, please mark that the running numbers they have talked about will be handed over to Athletics Kenya, and they will be handed to you a day before because of the doping issue. It is Athletics Kenya and the ADAC team that will present the number a day in the evening.
This year, you will see the numbers which has never been seen. And I think the chairman of Athletics Kenya and the course director and chairman of the Chemususu Marathon can confirm that. We have prepared the ground, we have done a lot of good work, and we want to assure you, even those promises we did last year, the CDF have made the effort which they had promised.